Okay guys, so Ben and I are over here along with Dad, and we're gonna get the combine out and get it hooked up to the bean head, or actually the grain platform. Check that thing all over and make sure it's good to go, and then we're gonna try wheat, see how it looks. So hopefully we might get started with wheat today. On the header here real quick, we've got this end piece and we need to stick this arm on so it kind of is a guide. Dad and Ben are putting our AgriSpeed quick hitches on real quick. These are the wagon portion of them, and we have a part on the tractor so you can just back right up to the wagon and it hooks onto that ring. So that way we can hook and unhook wagons without ever lining up or even completely stopping. We just back into it and take off. I gotta move the header really quick to flat ground so we can hook the combine up to it easier. So I'm gonna jump on the 695 and do that. Okay, we got the bean head pulled out there, and as soon as Dad and Ben get the quick hitch on the 14, they will pull the wagons out of the shed and I will be able to back the combine out. So you can kind of see how these quick hitches work here. We have the tractor portion, and the tractor portion has a cable on it that you can pull. And when you pull the cable, it drops this V down. So then when you're backing up to the wagon, the V lines up with this pole, and then it will lift the tongue up until it gets to right here, and that little knob pushes the V up. And when it pushes the V up, it clamps this loop into that area right there, and the wagon is hitched up. It's time for us to get the combine out, fired up, and put the head on it. But first we need to unstrap the header so that way we can pick the header up off the cart. Real quick, guys, I just want to interrupt today's video to thank you all for 10,000 subscribers. And if you remember, about a month and a half ago, I promised you that at 10,000 subscribers, we would do a question and answer video. Well, that time is now. So go down in the comments below and type out any question you have for me, and we will write them down and select which ones that we want to do in a question and answer video or the most common. Hopefully that video will help answer a lot of your guys' questions about me and about our farm. So go down in the comments below and leave your questions there. So, back to today's video. Going to connect all the hydraulic hoses to control the head, so that way everything is controlled from the combine inside the cab and runs like it should. There's pressure now, isn't there?
Yeah, but you have to go release the other one first. This one right there, so the other side.
Or one way to skin it. Cat. This says the pliers can't be a hammer.
Dad is right now adjusting some settings on the combine. We're getting it all set up and ready for wheat harvest. Okay, I am going to set the rotor speed and fan speed real quick in the combine here, and then get the shaft speed monitor set for that, and then we're going to go out and make a test run. So we're going to fire this up. Got our rotor RPM. And that needs to go up. Dad told me about 800. We're at 640, 650. Fan RPM. Okay, we got everything set. We are starting on a 10-acre field right by John's. I'm driving out there right now. And once we get started on that, well, we'll see what the moisture is. It might be too high, but there's some spots that had nitrogen overapplied. They're a little bit too high. The rest of the field looks dry though, so we're just gonna try and get through the wet spots and get to the dry spots. it ended up we still had oil on the main drive pulley from when that hose was spraying, so we're trying to get the pulley cleaned up so it'll have traction, because right now the machine won't run. Okay guys, we finally got the combine unslugged, pulled it out in the field, ran it a little bit, got everything emptied out. We're gonna wait until Monday to start wheat because we got a sample and it's 16.8. We need to let it all just dry out some. Check, make sure none of our pulleys have any fluid, like film of hydraulic fluid on them, and hopefully we can start on Monday after the dew's off. So this weekend we're gonna make hay. You know, it is a holiday weekend, but big deal, we're farmers. I will see y'all on Monday when we start combining straw, or blah, 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 when we start combining hay. Good grief! When we start combining wheat.